Welcome to the first LEICA GS07 quick start video. This video focuses on opening and assembly, starting with opening the red box. Inside the box we can see that everything has a set place, such as the SD card, the battery charger with cables and adapters, the GS07 itself, the quick start guide and SmartNet welcome pack, the CS20 field controller with holder and pole clamp, the batteries for the CS20 and the GS07, plus the official product documentation. Next, we'll begin the assembly. First, let's insert the GS07 battery. We can turn it over and unlock the compartment, allowing us to remove the cover so that we can then slot the battery into the cover's clip and replace the battery cover and lock it once again. At this stage, we should actually turn on the GS07 to allow it to do its initial tracking synchronization. We turn it on by holding the power button down for a couple of seconds and then place it somewhere with a clear view of the sky. We can actually continue with this and other videos whilst the antenna does this process itself, because that can take up to 20 minutes. When the leftmost light turns solid green, the process is done and we can turn the antenna off. Next, let's look at the CS20. First, we'll remove it from its holder by pushing the holder's locking arm into the unlocked position and then pulling the holder and CS20 apart. We can then insert a battery into the CS20 by unlocking its rear compartment, removing the battery cover, placing the battery into the CS20 before replacing the battery cover and locking it once again. Next, we'll insert an SD card into the CS20 by opening the compartment on its base. We slide the lock into the unlocked position and open the door. The SD card can then simply be pushed into its slot. The door can then be closed and locked. Then we can attach the CS20 back onto the holder by first aligning the bottom of the CS20 with the bottom lip of the holder and then pushing the two components together and then sliding the locking bar back into the locked position. Finally, we can now assemble everything together on our pole. First, we take the pole clamp, loosen it slightly and slide it onto the pole before tightening it to keep it in place. Then we screw the GS07 clockwise onto the top of the pole and slot the CS20 with holder into the pole clamp, which might actually need loosening for this to happen. Next, we can press the button on the pole grip to allow the pole to be extended up to its last stop, which is at 6.562 feet or 2 meters. Thank you for watching.